Hello everyone, myself Fathers Pandey and you are most welcome in my YouTube channel. So here I have opened AutoCAD application on my desktop. So in the previous video I have told you about 2D diagrams, how to draw isometric view, how to draw a 3D model in 2D form. So in this tutorial or in this video I will teach you to how to draw a 3D images. So to proceed with the 3D images we have to just select from DS toolbar on 3D modeling. The 3D modeling option will be generated in a few seconds. We have to cut it, and these are the tools. We have to use these tools to draw 3D images. हम 3D मॉडलिंग पे आ चुके हैं. यहाँ जितने भी टूल्स शो किए गए हैं ऊपर में, इन सब की मदद से हम यहाँ पे 3D फिगर्स को बना सकते हैं. So to proceed it, we have to just take the basic knowledge of the particular tools. So from here I will tell you one by one about the tools. So this is the box option. From here we have to uh, select the other any type of shapes such as box shape, cylinder shape, cone shape, any images or in the form of cone or in the form of sphere or in the form of pyramid or wedges or torus. So we have to select the images from here, and the other option is extrude, loft, revolve, sweep. To proceed it with the extrude and loft. So I will teach you extrude and loft command in this video. So we have to just draw a circle of any length. From here we have to select the isometric, and from here we have to select shade of gray. We will click on extrude option. Once we will click the object and press enter button. We have to give the maximum और minimum height of the object. हम इस ऑब्जेक्ट को अपने अनुसार हाइट दे सकते हैं. हाइट देने के बाद हम इंटर बटन को प्रेस कर देंगे तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा वो बन जाएगा. सो दिस इज द एक्सट्रूड रोल in the 3D modeling.
Please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.